Good afternoon, kids.
Good afternoon, kids.
How are you all?
They are fit, fine, and cheerful.
Perfect. Here is your Lavina, ma'am.
And here is your Ishneet, ma'am.
So, kids, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
So, first of all, stand up, join your hands, close your eyes, start Namokar Mantra. नमो अरिहन्ताणं नमो सिद्धानं नमो अरियानं नमो उच्चायानं नमो लोहे सव्य साहुनं ऐसो पंच नमोकारो सव्य पापनासनो मंगलम च सव्य सिंह परममः वै मंगलम. Continue with Guru Mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwarai, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri, Guruve Namaha. Continue with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha, Tatsavitur Varenyam, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Open your eyes, hands down. So kids, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So kids, first of all, tell us what is the date today?
Today is 27th November 2020.
Today is 27th November 2020.
And what is the day today?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday.
So kids, हम घर पे अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ना, क्योंकि हमारे एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं. So इसलिए हमें घर पे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है, सबकी बहुत अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करनी है.
ओके किड्स, सो हमने अपनी लास्ट क्लास में भी रिवीजन वर्कशीट्स की थी ना.
Yes.
हमने एग्जाम के लिए रिवीजन वर्कशीट्स की है ना. सो आज भी हम एग्जाम के लिए रिवीजन करेंगे.
Okay kids, are you all ready?
यस किड्स, सो आज भी हम वर्कशीट करेंगे. सो किड्स, मैम आपको वर्कशीट बहुत धीरे धीरे और अच्छे से कराएंगी. आपको भी ट्राई करना है कि आप वर्कशीट मैम के साथ कंप्लीट करें. ओके किड्स, so are you all ready?
Are you all
have
ready?
this worksheet. See kids, जिस पे 27th डेट मेंशन है ना, हमें वही वाली वर्कशीट निकालनी है.
Okay kids, are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes kids. Shall we begin? Okay now kids, our first question is write two words starting ending with the following diagrams. Okay kids, हमें इन diagrams पे two words बनानी हैं. Okay, so the first diagram is CH ch. Okay kids, अब इसमें हमें two words बनाने हैं and आप सबको भी मैम के साथ लिखना है. So the first word is chin.
So the first word is chin. C-H-I-N.
Chin. C-H-I-N. Chin.
Okay.
And the second word is watch.
W-A-T-C-H.
Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. See kids, chin के starting में कौन सा डायग्राफ आया? च. And watch के ending में कौन सा डायग्राफ आया? च. See? च. Chin, watch.
Okay kids.
Now the second digraph is C-K.
C-K.
Okay, now who is going to make word with C-K?
Raise your
hand.
Yes, Tanvi Verma, unmute yourself. Yes, Tanvi, unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Make word with CK.
बेटा सी के स्टार्टिंग में भी आ सकता है वर्ड के और एंड में भी आ सकता है. तो आप वर्ड बनाइए सी के से.
Yes, beta. Speak up.
Duck. D-U-C-K, duck.
D-U-C-K, duck.
सी बच्चा यहाँ पे डायग्राफ कहाँ आया? वर्ड के एंड में. एंड द सेकेंड वर्ड इज L-O-C-K, lock.
L-O-C-K, lock.
सी यहाँ पे भी डायग्राफ कहाँ आया? वर्ड के एंड में.
Okay, kids.
Okay, now the next digraph is Q-U-Q.
Q-U-Q.
Okay, kids, now who is going to make word with this digraph? Raise your hand.
Yes.
Sanvi, please unmute yourself.
Queen.
Very good. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. See, यहाँ पे डायग्राफ कहाँ आया? वर्ड के
Starting में. Okay.
and
Now,
the next word is Q-U-I-C-K, quick.
Q-U-I-C-K, quick.
Okay, so यहाँ पे डायग्राफ कहाँ आया? वर्ड
Word
के
के starting में. Okay. So, done everyone?
डन किड्स. सबने मैम के साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट किया?
Done everyone?
Okay, now kids, the second question is write 5 sentences on an apple. So kids, हमें इस क्वेश्चन में एप्पल पे 5 sentences लिखने हैं. Okay kids,
kids.
हमें एप्पल पे कॉम्पोजिशन लिखना है. तो मैम ने आपको बताया है ना हम कॉम्पोजिशन कैसे करते हैं.
For that, हमें composition में क्या करना होता है? First of all, we have to observe the object.
And
Object
here the object is
an apple.
okay kids. So the first sentence will be this is an apple. सब मैम के साथ write down करेंगे. THI is this. Kids, the starting letter should always be capital. THI is this. Is an
apple. A-double-P-L-E. And at the end, you have to put full stop. Sentence के end में हम क्या लगाते हैं? Full stop. This is an apple.
this is an apple.
And one words के बीच में आप क्या लगाएंगे? One finger gap. Words कैसे लिखेंगे हम? One finger का gap लगाकर. Okay, this is an apple.
Done kids. सबने sentence 1 कर लिया? Okay, now kids.
Okay, now apple is a fruit or vegetable?
Yes kid. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? Apple is a fruit. So we will write it is a fruit. मैम ने आपको बताया था ना, बार बार हम एप्पल एप्पल वर्ड रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट हम क्या यूज करेंगे?
It.
So the second sentence is it is a
Fruit.
F-R-U-I-T, fruit. And in the end, you have to put
Full stop. It is a fruit.
it is a fruit.
Now, kids, what is the color of an apple?
It is red in color.
So, our third sentence is it is
Red
red
in
in
color.
color.
सब मैम के साथ राइट डाउन कर रहे हैं ना?
It is red in color.
It is red in color. C-O-L-O-U-R, color.
Okay, kids, an apple has many seeds.
So we'll write it has H-E-S has many M-A-N-Y many seeds. S-E-E-D-S seeds.
S EEDS, seeds. It has many seeds.
It has many seeds. Done, kids? Now the fifth sentence is, it is sweet in taste. It is sweet, SWEET. Sweet in TASTE. Taste.
It is sweet in taste.
It is sweet in taste. Done, kids?
Done,
सबने मैम के साथ
everyone?
कंप्लीट किया ना?
Done, everyone? Have you all written sentences on apples?
Yes,
Done.
kids?
Done, kids? Now turn your page.
All right. Now see the next question.
Now the next question is change into plurals.
Okay, kids. So यहाँ पे हमें singular words given है ना? हमें इन्हें plurals में change करना है. Okay, kids. The first word is HALF, half. So kids, half को हम plural में कैसे change करेंगे? मैम ने आपको एक rule बताया था ना? The word ending with F is replaced into VES. So यहाँ पे ये word F से end हो रहा है ना? तो हम F को replace करेंगे VES में. So write down the spelling. HALVES. Half become halves.
Half become halves.
Done, kids? Now see the second word. The second word is
Bench.
BENCH, bench. Okay, kids? So the word ending with CH changes into the word ending with CH. So हमें उस word के end में लगाना है ES. Okay, kids? जो भी word CH से end होता है हमें वहाँ add on करना है ES. So bench become benches. BENCHES. Benches.
Bench. Benches.
Done, kids? Now the third word is mouse. So kids, इसका तो कोई रूल नहीं होता है. There are few words जिनके plurals हमें memorize करने होते हैं. So mouse become mice. MICE, mice.
MICE, mice. Mouse, mice.
Mouse, mice. Now the fourth word is MONKEY, monkey. So kids, here the word is ending with Y, but the letter before Y is a vowel. See यहाँ पे Y से पहले कौन सा letter है? E, और E क्या है? Vowel. So in this case, we will simply add S to make it plural. So monkey become monkeys. MONKEYS, monkeys. Done, kids? सबने question number 3 complete किया?
Done, everyone?
Okay, now we have done our English subject. Now let's move to Hindi subjects. Now the question is, नीचे लिखी मात्राओं से दो दो शब्द बनाइए. So kids, यहाँ पे मैम ने मात्रा लिखी हुई है ना, आपको उन मात्राओं को यूज कर दो दो शब्द बनाने हैं. ओके किड्स? So पहली मात्रा है छोटे ऊ की. अब हम इस पे दो दो शब्द बनाएंगे. ओके, अब मैम को कौन बताएगा छोटे ऊ पे शब्द बनाकर? छोटे ऊ की मात्रा को यूज कर कौन शब्द बनाएगा? रेज योर हैंड.
Yes, Bhavya Saini, unmute yourself. Yes, quickly, unmute yourself.
मैम
बोल की मात्रा से बोल ना
क्या बोलूं?
की मात्रा से शब्द बता
उल्लू
Yes, beta.
पुल
Pull. Very good. Pull.
पुल. ठीक है. एंड दूसरा वर्ड क्या है?
सुख. 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 यहाँ कहाँ आ रही है छोटे ओ की मात्रा? स में. और यहाँ कहाँ पर आ रही है? प में. पुल सुख.
पुल सुख.
Now the next matra is आ की मात्रा. अब हम आ की मात्रा में शब्द बनाएंगे. ओके किड्स, अब मैम को कौन आ की मात्रा पे शब्द बनाकर दिखाएगा? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Garvit, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Garvit, please unmute yourself.
फादर पालक
पालक.
Very good. पालक.
और दूसरा वर्ड क्या है?
अब मैम को दूसरा शब्द कौन बताएगा? Raise your hand.
Yes, Myra, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, unmute yourself. Yes, quickly. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Samriddhi, please unmute yourself.
बोल
बादल
Very good.
Ba,
बादल.
बादल.
Done.
Kids, now the third matra is बड़े ऊ की मात्रा. कि अब बड़े ऊ की मात्रा पे शब्द बनाएंगे. पहला शब्द है दूध.
दूध. ये नाउ मैम को दूसरा शब्द कौन बनाकर बताएगा? Raise your hand.
हरजोत, please unmute yourself. Yes,
फूल
Very good. फूल.
अगली मात्रा है छोटी ई की मात्रा. अब हम छोटी ई की मात्रा पे शब्द बनाएंगे.
मैम को कौन बनाकर बताएगा? Raise your hand.
Yes,
Shaurya Singh, unmute yourself.
yes, beta. Quickly, unmute yourself.
बैटरी कितनी है?
Yes, बेटा. छोटी सी मात्रा से शब्द बताएंगे.
पिन
Very good.
पिन. और दूसरा शब्द है
हिरण.
हिरण.
Done, kids?
सारे किड्स ने मैम के साथ किया ना अपना
Question complete.
Done, everyone? Okay, now kids, shall we move forward? Turn the page. We have done our Hindi subject and now we'll do the EVS subject. Now turn your page. Shall we start? Okay, now see the question. Fill in the correct answer.
ओके किड्स, आपको सेंटेंस रीड करके करेक्ट आंसर को फिल करना है ब्लैंक्स में.
All right, kids.
The first sentence is, I help you in combing your hair. I am a dash.
So kids, आपको अपने हेयर कोम करने में कौन हेल्प करता है? Yes. यहाँ पे किसकी पिक्चर बनी हुई है?
Yes, who will tell us? Raise your hand.
आप अपने हेयर कोम किसकी हेल्प से करते हैं?
Yes, Harshi Agarwal, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, quickly unmute yourself.
Comb. Comb.
Very good.
Okay, now write down comb in the blank.
C-O-M-B, comb.
C-O-M-B, comb. सब मैम के साथ लिख रहे हैं ना?
Okay, now I help you in combing your hair. I am a comb. Okay, kids, done everyone? Now the next sentence is, I help you in brushing your teeth. I am a...
Okay, kids, आपको अपने टीथ ब्रश करने में कौन हेल्प करता है? यहाँ पे किसकी पिक्चर बनी हुई है? Raise your hand. Who is going to tell us?
Yes, Ishani Chauhan, unmute yourself.
Brush.
Beta, toothbrush. Okay.
Toothbrush.
Very good. Okay, now write down T-O-O-T-H, tooth, B-R-U-S-H, brush, toothbrush.
Okay, kids, done everyone? I help you in brushing your teeth. I am a toothbrush.
Done, kids?
The third sentence is, I am bad for your health. Who am I?
So kids, आपकी हेल्थ के लिए बैड क्या होता है? यहाँ पे किसकी बच्चा बनी हुई है? Raise your hand. Who is going to tell us?
Yes, Advik, please unmute yourself. Yes, Beta.
Pizza.
Very good.
Write down pizza. P-I-Z-P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza.
Pizza. So, I am bad for your health. Who am I?
Pizza.
Done, everyone? The next sentence is, I help you in eating food. Who am I?
So kids, अब अपना food किसकी help से खाते हैं? Raise your hand. Who is going to tell us?
Yes, beta, किसकी picture है ये? Raise your hand. Yes, Yuvraj, unmute yourself.
Spoon.
Very good.
Write down S-P-O-O-N. Spoon.
I help you in eating food. Who am I? Spoon.
So done, kids. आपने complete कर लिया question number 1. Okay, now let's do question number 2. Write 5 vegetables name. So kids, इस question में हमें 5 vegetables के name लिखने हैं. Okay? And सारे बच्चे eat करते हैं ना vegetables तो मैम को जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करेंगे. Okay? And मैम के साथ write down करेंगे.
Okay, kids, so you have to tell vegetables name.
Okay, now raise your hand. Who is going to tell us the vegetable name? Raise your hand. मैम को कौन बताएगा vegetable name?
Yes, Alishka, please unmute yourself.
Lady finger.
Very good.
Okay, now write down L-A-D-Y Lady, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. Lady finger. Okay, now who is going to tell the next vegetable name? Raise your hand.
Yes, Aradhya Jain, unmute yourself.
बोले potato.
Potato.
Very good. Potato. Write down P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato.
P-O-T-A-T-O, potato.
Okay, now who is going to tell the third vegetable?
Yes, Manan Jain, unmute yourself.
Brinjal.
Very good, brinjal.
Write down B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal.
B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal.
Okay, now the fourth vegetable is tomato.
Write down T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato.
T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And the fifth name is onion. O-N-I.
O-N-I.
O-N, onion.
O-N, onion. Okay, kids. So
Done,
what were
kids?
these?
These were vegetable names.
These were vegetable names.
Done, kids?
Done, everyone? Shall we move further?
Yes, kids. So we have done our EVS subject and now we'll do the maths. So are you all ready, kids? So ma'am के साथ कर रहे हैं ना अच्छे से?
Yes. Turn your page.
Okay, now see the next question.
What comes before and after?
Okay, kids. So हम पहले before complete करेंगे, okay?
Okay, kids. What is before? Number के पहले कौन सा number आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Before.
Okay, here the number is
86.
Okay, now who is going to tell us what comes before 86? Raise your hand.
Yes, Jia Lalwani, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, unmute yourself.
Anybody else?
Yes, Tanishka, unmute yourself.
कितना 86
Yes, beta, what comes before?
85
Very good.
Okay, now write down 85. Done?
85, 85.
Done, kids? Now see the next number.
17. Which number is this? 17. What comes before 17? Who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Bhavik Gupta, unmute yourself.
One six.
Ye-
16.
Very
good.
1, 6, 16. Okay, now see the next number.
Yes, which number is this? Who will tell us? Yes, Arav Jain, unmute yourself.
40 से पहले क्या आता है?
मैम 40 से आता है
39.
3939.
Very good. What comes before 4040? 39, 39. Now, which number is this? 61.
Okay, now what comes before 61? 60, 60.
60, 60.
See, kids, we have completed before. Now we'll do after. Okay?
Okay,
So
now
after means
number
बाद में.
after means बाद में. So which number is this? 70, 70. And what comes after 70, 70? Who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Riddhi Jain, unmute yourself. Yes, Riddhi Jain, quickly unmute yourself.
7171.
Very good.
Write down 7171.
Yes, now which number is this? Who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes,
Nakul Saath, please unmute yourself.
yes, beta, which number is this?
Hello.
Yes, beta, which number is this? 5959. And what comes after 5959?
60.
Very good. 6060.
Now, which number is this? 27. And what comes after 27?
2828.
2828. Now, which number is this? 1919. And what comes after 1919? Who will tell us? Raise your hand.
Tilak, please unmute yourself.
Say, what is this? 28. Speak.
Yes, beta, what comes after 19?
Say 20. 19. After 19. 20.
20.
Say 20.
20.
Very good. Write down 2020.
What comes after 19? 2020. Done, everyone?
Done, kids. We have done this question. Now let's move to another question, that is write number name. So kids, आपको नंबर को देखकर उनकी स्पेलिंग लिखनी है, okay? नंबर के नेम्स लिखने हैं. So are you all ready, kids? सबको मैम के साथ वो कंप्लीट करना है. So the first number is 25. 25. Okay, now we'll write its name. TW.
Yes, kids, you have to write with ma'am.
TW ENTY 20
20
FIVE5
FIVE 25.
The next number is 11. Write down ELE
ELE
VEN
VEN
11. Okay, now the next number is 6. SIX 6.
The number name of 6 is SIX 6.
Next number is 18. EI
EI
GHT
GHT
EEN
EEN
18. Okay, now the next number is
30. Now, who will tell us the spelling of 30? Raise your hand. Yes, Aniket Raj, unmute yourself. Yes, beta, what is the spelling of 30?
THI
Yes,
R
yes, THIR.
TY.
Very good. THIRTY 30.
done, kids. So हमने नंबर के नंबर नेम्स कंप्लीट कर लिए ना?
Done, everyone?
Okay, now let's do next question. That is write shapes name. तो हमें shapes को देखकर उनके names लिखने हैं. Okay, now who is going to tell us which shape is this? Raise your hand.
Yes, quickly tell us which shape is this. Raise your hand. Yes, Rishita, unmute yourself. Yes, Rishita, quickly unmute yourself. Yes, beta.
Triangle.
Very good. Okay, now write down its spelling. Triangle. Triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. The next shape is circle. Okay, now write down the spelling. CIRCLE. Circle.
Now, which shape is this? Who will tell us? Raise your hand. Yes, Ritisha, unmute yourself.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Beta, which shape is this? Yes, beta.
वापस बोलो जल्दी बोलो
Square.
Very
Very
good.
good.
Beta, what is the spelling of square? Tell us.
SQUARE.
Very good. SQUARE. Square.
SQUARE. Square.
Done.
Kids,
Done,
we have
everyone.
done our worksheet. सबने अपनी वर्कशीट कंप्लीट की ना मैम के साथ?
Yes, done everyone. Very good. So kids, आज हमने क्या क्या किया?
So kids, आज हमने इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट में डायग्राफ से वर्ड्स बनाए.
Yes,
And
and what else we did? We made four sentences on apple.
And then we changed the singular into plurals.
Yes, और हमने और क्या किया? मात्राओं से शब्द बनाए.
और हमने EVS में sentences fill up किए. Okay kids, पिक्चर को देख के हमने blanks fill किए.
And we wrote 5 sentences on 5 names on vegetables.
And then kids, in math subject we did before and
After.
after.
And we did number names
And then हमने shapes identify करके उनके names लिखे.
with their spellings.
Okay kids, आपको भी एग्जाम के लिए बहुत अच्छे से अपनी सारे टॉपिक्स रिवाइज करने हैं और
Okay,
बहुत
kids.
सारी स्टडी करनी है.
Yes, and बहुत अच्छे से हमें हर चीज की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Okay, kids.
So all the very best for exam.
Yes, and kids, ये हमारी कौन सी क्लासेस चल रही है? हमारी लाइव क्लासेस.
एंड हम अपनी रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस स्कूल व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में जो आपको लिंक शेयर किया है उसे ओपन करके देख सकते हैं या फिर स्कूल यूट्यूब चैनल पर देख सकते हैं.
You can like and subscribe our channel for regular updates. Okay, kids. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.